No matter the type of craft you enjoy, here are some Dollar Tree items to organize with and customize with your Cricut. This first container is a nice size to organize just about anything, and I love that the lid is attached. I'm learning how to sew and will be using this as a sewing kit, so everything I need is in one place, but this would also work great as a Cricut supply kit. To make this a little cuter, I cut this decal from Cricut Design Space, and I'm going to apply it this way so it's readable when the lid is open. Of course, all of the customizing I'll be showing you is completely optional, but who doesn't love some cute labeling? Let me know in the comments what other crafts you enjoy besides working with your Cricut. I'm sure I'll be adding to this kit, but this is perfect for now. If you enjoy organizing within containers, get some of these pill boxes from the Dollar Tree health aisle. The lettering rubs off with 100% acetone, and keeping with the sewing theme, I'm using these to store some bobbins. If you sew a lot and have lots of thread, each opening will fit at least 3 bobbins, and I love that it's clear so you can see the colors you have on hand. Now, I don't have many colors yet, so I'm storing 1 bobbin in each, and it turns out I had some scrap vinyl to match each of these thread colors, so I cut out some bobbin decals, also from Cricut Design Space, and added them to the lid of each compartment. The pink color vinyl was a little bit smaller, as you can see, and it got cut off, but I'm still using it. Now, how cute would this be as a gift to that friend that loves sewing? You could fill each compartment with some new empty bobbins and gift it with some new thread or fabric, or you could add some sewing clips or other small sewing accessories. And mine fits perfectly into my new sewing kit. Now, I like crafting with lots of different materials, so I've added all my jewelry accessories, other reinforcements, and closures to this container, which is also from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, it's gotten a little unruly, so we're going to fix that. And these little craft storage containers are perfect for getting this in order. Now, you'll find this set of 14 where the food storage containers are, and they are a much better deal than the set of 4 in the craft section of Dollar Tree. So instead of keeping multiple open bags, I added each accessory to its own container, and because these lids are not clear, I made some labels with the Cricut sticker cardstock paper. Now, when you're making these stickers with this cardstock paper, don't forget to make sure your text is set to draw and not cut. As you can see, I didn't do that to one, but these are just so cute. Now, I do need to make some more labels, but this is much more functional, and all my tools will still fit on top, and the outer lid fits perfectly. Now, I had a second pill organizer, and while these mini jars are great for smaller items, it was kind of annoying to pour out these eyelets for the color I needed. So I'm going to separate them into each of these compartments, and it's just easier to scoop it out like this. So to label these, I use the Dollar Tree shipping labels, which are perfect for making stickers with the Cricut Joy. Now here are all my small eyelets, and I'll add these other snaps once I make more labels. Now I also wanted to show you that this organizer is perfect for small office supplies like thumbtacks, mini binder clips, and paper clips, or any other small item you can fit in there. Back to sewing for a minute. These rectangular pencil cases are found in the Dollar Tree school supplies section, but work perfectly for spools of thread. So why not add a spool of thread decal to make it a little cuter? I had a second one of these, to which I added some paintbrushes, and you guessed it, I added a paintbrush decal. And I will link to each Design Space image I used in the description in case you want to use them too. If you are still here, comment the word organize and stick around for 2 more ideas. These chalkboard tags are the perfect neutral basket label and much prettier than what I was using. I don't know about you, but if things are in baskets, I tend not to use them, so labels help. So I thought I'd try this fun font in Cricut Design Space, and I like how the letters are cut out so I don't have to transfer any tiny pieces. And fun fact, these tags are just cardstock, so it's not actual chalkboard. So when transferring these, I used a light grip transfer tape just to avoid damaging the cardstock. This last item is also in the school supplies section, and I'm using these button file bags to organize my scrap cardstock as I do more paper projects. So I made some more stickers from the shipping labels to separate the cardstock by type. These file envelopes are nice and thin, so they're not taking up much more space than the cardstock, and no more digging through my cardstock pile to find a smaller piece when needed. Let me know which of these organizing items you'll use for your craft space and what your ideas are for each Dollar Tree item. I'll see you in the next one.